I just got a barrel house cooker and I'm getting ready to do a review on it. If you want to see it, stay tuned. Can Daddy cook? Mm-hmm. Hey guys, welcome back. Like I said earlier, I got a barrel house cooker sent to me, the 14-inch version, and I'm gonna do a review on it. For this review also, the recipe is gonna be a Peri Peri chicken. Peri Peri chicken is a African Peruvian fusion dish. Not fusion, but Peruvians went to Africa and then it kind of took off in Africa, Mozambique and other places. Very spicy chicken, all right guys. But I'm gonna do this cook on the barrel house cooker and let you know whether I like the barrel house cooker or not. So stay to the end for that review. Now we're going to transition into, well, actually it's not gonna be a supporting cast because I did all the prep a couple days ago. This has been marinating for about 2 days, but you don't have to do that. All right, what we have here is 4 halves, 2 chickens, and these are big fryers, big roaster hens. And because I don't have a supporting cast, here's the recipe. And the recipe is also going to be in the description box. Okay, now for this recipe, I did adjust it slightly to accommodate the amount of meat that I had. This recipe was for only 1 smaller chicken and I'm doing 2 really big chickens, so I had to adjust it. All right, guys. So all I have to do for prep is to get these out of the bag, and then I'm going to just hook them with the hooks for the barrel house cooker, and then we're gonna go outside and cook. I did not do an assembly, talk you through how to assemble and how to light fire, but I did do footage because there's so much information on how to do that, and it's very, very simple. So check this out. What I want you guys to pay attention to is how beautiful this chicken looks as it comes out of the bag with this marinade. You can marinate for 3 hours up to overnight. Unfortunately, I marinated mine for like 3 days because I had stuff to do. I'll let you know how good or bad it is. Now, the next thing I did, you'll see, is I had to hook the chicken, and I hooked it underneath the breastbone, just like the directions recommended. And all I had to do was take it out back, and I dropped it. Notice that I dropped the chicken all 4 at a time, all 4 halves. I've seen other videos when people try to hook it, and I didn't want to do that. So I put all 4 of my pieces of chicken on the rack at the same time, and I lowered it inside. Just take that as a recommendation. All right, guys. Everything that I did up to this point has been according to the Barrel House Cooker's recommendations. Obviously I put it together according to their recommendations, their instructions. I used a recommended charcoal, which is Kingsford or similar. I used the recommended hooking technique for chicken, which is underneath the breastbone, and we are where we are. All right, right now it's holding a perfect temperature of 247, and my chicken is at 112 degrees. This cook is going by temperature, not by time. So the next time you see me, I will be pulling the chicken, and we'll be doing taste tests. I'm gonna pull it once it gets to 170 degrees-ish. USDA says 165 is cool. Daddy Cook says 170 is better. All right, so I will see you in a little bit. This Peri Peri chicken came out fantastic. We're gonna do a taste test first. Tashayla's gonna be my taste tester, and then I'll finish up my review for this Barrel House Cooker and let you know what I think. Coming over now is my daughter, Tashayla. She's gonna do my taste tester. She don't do spice. So let's see how this looks. All right, baby, I'm gonna stay on the camera because I got the microphone. Grab you a piece of chicken, any piece you want. And you hear that crackling? The skin's kind of chewy.
It's very smoky.
Very smoky. Don't cover your mouth. Come on, so we can hear you.
Spicy.
All right.
Very peri peri. That's awesome. Juicy.
Yes, yep, it's a little juicy in there. A little drier than I thought, but not bad, not bad.
You did that, Daddy.
All right, now tell me what you think. Tell me what it tastes. Flavor.
Yeah, I taste juiciness.
Okay.
I don't know exactly what you put in here, but it's very
What
spicy.
do you taste? Okay, you're spicy. I put some peppers in there.
Yeah,
You got the
spicy.
smoky sand. Is it too salty?
A bit chili, like chili peppers.
I put hot peppers in there,
Yeah,
like
hot peppers,
jalapenos
yeah.
and some other peppers.
Yes, I taste that.
Good flavor on the meat.
Perfect flavor.
Really?
Yeah, falls right off. It's,
No, it ain't falling
not
off, but it's.
it's very tender. Yeah.
I think it's a little overcooked, but it's all right. I'm gonna give it a taste. Thank you, sweetie. I appreciate it.
I'm taking this one.
Yes, you are. All right. I'm gonna grab pieces of the thigh. And I think it's hot. Ow, that's hot. Ooh, it's very hot. I'm gonna have to cut me a piece off of that bad boy because I can't pull it. It's a little bit tougher than I imagined. All right, and I'll tell you, the skin is a little rubberier than I would expect.
Do you think that's the chicken itself, or?
I don't know. Great flavor. There's that heat coming.
Yeah.
It is spicy. Okay. The flavor's there. I think the cooking technique I still need to work on because it's a new cooker. Ooh, that's spicy. I had an instance where my temperature was going up, but the temperature of the chickens was going down and it hadn't reached 165, 170 yet. So I did add a few more coals and let it cook a little bit longer. I gotta figure that piece out. But as far as flavor, cooking, technique, the barrel house cooker altogether, I like it. Whoa, that's spicy. I like it. I gotta dial it in a little bit more, but what I like about it is it's easy to put together. It's easy to like. Whoa, that's spicy. And it's easy to get your cook done. I like it. If you're interested in something like this, I'll leave a link in the description box. And the Peri Peri chicken, you know this is spicy. The Peri Peri chicken is a hit. I like it, baby. You good? Still spicy, y'all. Anyway, I like the barrel house cooker. My girls call me
Daddy.
and I review. Can Daddy cook?
Mm-hmm.